Today we're going to be reviewing this, which is the new, wait, I don't know if it's new, but this is the CandyLipz travel size little lip plumper. Some of you might be like, well, I don't really have small lips, so I don't think I need it. So this isn't something that I feel like I absolutely need, but I do prefer it because I love wearing matte liquid lipsticks. And if you ever worn a matte liquid lipstick, you know that like once it dries, it sort of like shrinks your lips. Like it sort of like sucks them together just a tiny bit, and it also makes you have a lot of lines on your lips. So that's what I like to use this for. I usually don't leave it on as long as, you know, I did for this video. I usually leave it on just a little bit, like how I had my lips before I put it on for the second time, or even like less time than that, just because I want it to be a little more full to the point where I don't have like a bunch of like deep lines on my lips, because my lips be looking like they're 80 when I don't do something like this and I wear like a matte lipstick. So I feel like it is great for that.
The CandyLipz Lip Plumper is a one-of-a-kind. It is a hand-operated lip enhancer powered by an ancient Chinese cupping suction technique that uses negative pressure to enlarge the lips. CandyLipz has a flexible silicone bladder built with a specific firmness, safe for lip enhancement. This element allows users to compress and release the plumper at comfortable levels. Lips are enhanced in compartmentalized fixed volume. CandyLipz has a built-in patented extreme lip shaper system designed to work on 15 anatomical lip zones, including the philtral column and corners of the mouth. You can create two fun looks, single-lobed and double-lobed. The double-lobed look creates a cute dent on the lower lip. The central platform has many functions. It compartmentalizes the upper and lower lips. It is a blocker holder, allowing users the option to work on each lip separately if desired. The central platform is necessary for evening out grooves along the underside of the upper lip, and it keeps the top of the lower lip from overexpanding. The upper chamber has a curvaceous arch which includes the formation of the cupid's bow. The back wall and slit reduce negative pressure strength. These elements slow the enlargement process as the upper lip tends to expand faster than the lower lip. CandyLipz is not a tube. Engineered elements work in concert, guiding the lips to form beautifully and smoothly in each and every lip enhancement session. Fun and easy to use anytime and anywhere.